Alright, so working on the cobalt, got it all pulled apart, mostly. Chasing a really bad misfire problem, and I think I found it. So, turn the light on. Cylinder 1. That was running rich, but overall fine. Cylinder 2. Same thing. Running a little rich, burning a little bit of oil, but 230,000 miles is to be expected. Cylinder 4. Much the same way. Also, the gaps were really tight. I don't know if that was done on purpose or not, but they were like 0.25 when it's supposed to be 0.4. Cylinder 3. Where did the electrode go? Well, that explains the misfire. Did a compression test on all 4 cylinders. They're all sitting at like 180, so that's perfect. So yeah, the engine itself is fine. Just need to get spark plugs. Go figure.